Hey, good morning. Welcome to Hands on High Tech. Hey, like and subscribe below if you like the content. I'm going to review another product today. We are installing some solar, as I think you've seen on the channel a little bit. And one of the things we ran into is we have all click torque wrenches, no digital torque wrenches. And the instructions on EG4, which I'll show you in a minute, and the solar panel clips, the S5 clips that you see me talk about, say that you need a digital torque wrench so you can kind of see where you're at torquing the nuts down. You don't over tighten them. So I am going to show you that. Okay, so we picked this up. I'll send you a link. This is on Amazon. There's a lot of them to pick from, but this one is the Matework 1/4 inch. And you need a 1/4 inch because you need inch pounds. That is extremely hard to find. Trust me, I've searched. So you need an inch pound rating on these things. So let me show you. I'm gonna go over here to my table saw, which you've also seen on the channel. This little thing is awesome. I'll probably do a review on that later because it's been pretty awesome. I think I have done one, but. All right, so let's open this up. It gives a nice little box. You just click these things open. And inside there, the torque wrench. It comes with several different bits, which are kind of nice actually. It comes with a universal joint as well as an extension. And this is the torque wrench. So the torque wrench, we've already worked and had it set up, but really ought to turn it on. You just hit the C button if I remember right. I don't remember right. I don't have my glasses on either. There we go. And what happens is it comes up, obviously C0, and we have it set to the right inch pounds for torquing down the piece. I'm gonna show you how it works. It basically gives you, as you're getting close, it tells you. So I'll show you that. I'll get a bolt and a nut here and we'll try to tighten it so you can see how that works. All right, I'm gonna attempt to hold this while I do this. Might be kind of difficult actually, now that I think about it. Let me see if I can hold it. So the way it works, so you heard it there. As it gets close, it beeps, and then it goes red, and then it actually vibrates when it hits the actual torque. And I had it set at 130 inch pounds. What you saw there was foot pounds on the display. I just needed to change it. Actually, it's kilograms per foot meter. You can change that, the setting up here at 130. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that 130 setting is inch pounds. And so you can actually switch that measurement just by hitting M. But anyway, no, not M, but U. So if you hit U, you can see there's Newton meters, foot pounds, foot, inch, and kilograms. There's different ones, but let's go, I'm sorry, I went right across it. Foot, inch, pounds, right? And that'll give me my setting. I just actually set it at 112.8, which is what we wanted for the clips. But anyway, this thing works great. As I said, it's really hard to find one like this. Used is just regular, I think it's AA battery or AAA batteries. Easy wrench to operate, really nice. You just turn it off by hitting and holding the button, if I remember right. There you go. Just goes off, put it back in its case. And again, this was just already provided in here. So you just hit that top button. There you go. And it goes off. So I dropped it on the floor there. But anyway, let's grab that off the floor. Put it back in the case, and then you can just close it up. And again, it stores really nicely. So that's it. I give it 2 thumbs up because it works really well. Easy to store. Kind of just put it in my toolbox, and there you have it. So I'm gonna put it right back in here. You can see the other torque wrenches in there as well. And there you have it. Like and subscribe. Hope you like this. Bye.